Video of Feyth. Now done at the video of
yin and yang. You know they're very different.
Yeah, very different. He says Feyth quiet. She can't do quiet song. He says Chioma bum dim dim. Now she do her own. She can't feature person or kaka. Now be name of her own song. Now our phone lines don't they open. We're gonna begin the call us to take for talk to Feyth and Chioma inside the studio. Our beautiful gospel artist when we say for inside studio today. In case you don't know, Chioma too. She the act fame. She's an artist. She the act fame. Apart from.
No, you say you're an artist.
No, you say you're artist.
If we hear so for today, you're an artist because you use your own two mouths, up and down mouth, and talking.
Person where they do activists, where they do what do they call them? Activists.
Activists, na.
A bad thing. Person where they put it they call them rapists.
Rapists.
Person where they act. What do you call it?
Artist. Okay, my sister, go and read your book.
Go and read your book.
Okay, yes.
Go and read your book. It's in Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
It's the truth that we are talking.
Subsection.
Subsection 32.
Bam.
AB.
That's it.
Pom.
That's it.
For Wazobia dictionary.
See the
I don't know the type of dictionary saying they look. I don't know.
Now, Chioma, tell us about that song, Okaka, and why you feature person for that song. You know, just tell us. What to make you reason that song to even start with in the first place? You don't see Chioma human hair.
Oh my God. Out of this world, though.
See, that make me see Feyth. To maintain Feyth, go cheap. To maintain her, you know, go cost.
But if you put her for her, it go show you shake
it.
It go be, you know that rat where they bite you, they blow you.
And this kind of face, now you go, you see, person go call house, person goes call house, they just see you sit down like this. You know they go outside, no. I know you go.
He said no, now come make we go. I be madam, make him go. She go say go now.
Go now.
Then when he say that go now, I go look you eye. They go say no,
I just tired, I just weak.
He said, tell your friend to follow you. Oh, that one goes. Then he go look you.
Maybe go in she now go come look the man. Honey, follow your friends now. Go and hang out. When you know that, go and hang out.
Now there you go.
The guy go say, it's not my hobby. Going out is not my hobby.
No spoil my career.
But this guy Chioma, when Chioma husband friends come around, say, hey, Baba, have fun now.
I don't say they go, I don't cook you.
Wait. Chioma go there inside bedroom.
Wait.
Chioma go there inside bedroom. Wait now, relax. Chioma go there inside bedroom. The friends go just come. More hang out now, Baba, more go. More go take one bottle. So and the madam go, hey, she there inside. I don't know what she there inside. Then go just carry waka, go enter inside motor. When you go and move, it's from back seat, and she go ask, where would they go? Hello, good evening. You go wonder how she take it inside motor. Katim from Lagos, good evening.
Now what
Good evening. I've been online for a couple of minutes and you guys are just talking.
But we don't know now.
Sorry now.
We don't know now.
We just know now.
Now therefore what? Good evening. I'm really enjoying the show. I want to say a big thank you for you guys for bringing them to show tonight.
Oh, thank you. Katim, thank you.
Talk to because I would like to have a Facebook ID or an email address so that I can just.
Which of them?
South Africa anyway.
Feyth or Chioma or both of them?
The two of them because their songs are really good. I'm
from
South Africa.
Hold on now.
Who him be first? You don't know if he's you don't know.
My brother, what did you do first of all?
I'm an artist.
You're an artist. You're an artist. My brother, we give star boy. Artist. Chioma, I beg, give this artist your email.
No email, okay.
Okay, Instagram handle. Instagram.
Don't be a stalkist.
Chioma _Okereke. I don't know what to be underscore for pidgin. So
Chioma _Okereke. Feyth, give one.
Just Feyth music.
Feyth music and her Feyth na Feyth music. You don't hear Katung?
Artist.
Feyth music.
Emmanuel from Ikorodu, good evening.
I don't know whether anyone will stop them.
Emmanuel, good evening.
Good evening.
How you doing?
Fine.
Your TV is too loud.
Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
oh my God.
Now, back to you. The question why did they ask you about the song? Tell us about the song.
Okay. And when you feature
I will want this
smile.
Come to me. Lare. Oswanya. Ofaranya. Ogane. Tell us about the song.
Okay, I will want write song where we say everybody go feel relate to. Where we say once you just hear them once or 2 times.
Oh, now you write the song?
Yes.
Blessing, good evening.
Mr. Nedu, long time.
Oh, no, see you. And even if I don't know where we see. How is you?
I enjoy your program, not be small.
Oh, thank you. I want to say we enjoy it, but now I'm going to mean another thing. Thank you.
Mrs. Catherine, I don't know.
Ma?
She didn't answer me.
Talk.
This sister, Catherine. I greet you.
How now?
Fine, no. Now, why don't?
Thank you.
Oh, my 2 sweethearts.
Then they hear you.
Good evening. Good evening. I enjoy both of them so very much.
You enjoy both of them?
Yeah, both of them. Their music
my sister.
Nice.
My sister.
That's a lovely one.
My sister.
You don't enjoy Easy Beat?
You said?
You don't enjoy Easy Beat?
I don't forget them.
You don't dump them now, they enjoy this too.
Why don't know?
Well done, good evening.
So you dey enjoy Easy Beat?
Huh? By the hairstyle.
I said this is your hair. Wait till we go call them.
Nedu they call out my willow. I don't know.
Willow. Okay, good.
Blessing. I beg, reduce number of people you enjoy so that you live long. Thank you. Good night,
Okay, bye.
Now,
bye.
Over to you, Vico.
So I want write song where go dey easy to understand, where even a small child go feel here. Like once you just say, I have a week, you
don't marry?
I never marry.
Okay.
Feyth, you don't marry?
I never
Hi, single men out there, what are you looking for? We get just 3 minutes for this show. If I were you, call. Samuel, good evening. Samuel.
Good evening. What can I do?
Go on, good evening. How is you?
It's fine.
Are you with me?
We are with you.
I'm talk, we they hear you. We get to Feyth and Chioma. They never marry. They are gospel artists. This one also is an artist. Talk to us.
I see them. I see what they do, sir. But
hey, Honane.
what thing I got tell them say, may they continue. Now gospel things.
Okay.
Now gospel things. So
now you can't laugh.
I pray that God will be with them. Amen. They will get through. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Get through it. Not the answer.
Samuel.
Get through it.
Samuel, thank you.
Nedu.
Samuel. Bye. Okay, you say you want to do song. You want to write song when you say everybody go feel relate to. One and vex not to get time for this show. Time not the. No. Time don't finish. But somebody from Snake Island.
Chioma, I love your song. Say MC Bishop. Chuka Duru say Easy Beat, nice hair. You go. Where?
Hello from Snake Island. Good evening.
Yeah.
Good evening.
Snake.
How is you? How are the snakes? Where are your island?
No wahala.
Talk to us when they hear you.
Good evening, Nedu.
Again, good evening, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Nedu, good evening.
Good evening.
Again.
How are you?
How are you?
Good evening, Nedu. How are you today?
Good evening, Nedu. How are you?
Hello, Nedu. Good evening.
Hello, Nedu. Good evening.
Yeah.
For those who are following for Twitter, Instagram, I beg talk your handle again.
Yes.
For Instagram, na Chioma_Okereke.
Feyth.
On Instagram, Feyth Music. Feyth Music.
Feyth Music. Now be Feyth on. And then Chioma on at Chioma_Okereke. I beg no first time, not today for today. Double toilet to everybody who call us on top of the show today. Those we send tweet messages, we thank all of them. Time now, they no vex.
Make me run, come on, so people can dare to dream.
So that dare to... Then go till tomorrow. Good night. Thank you, sweethearts, for coming. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
We can't be like this.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.